Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 2 Mossfield Road here in Kings Heath. It's a 2-bedroom end terrace property within close proximity to high street amenities. Okay, and then moving inside into the lounge stroke dining room. It's a particularly good sized room. And then we have a rear hall with the stairs going up to the first floor, the door going out into the garden. Then on the left hand side, we have the kitchen here, again with an aspect across the garden. And then onto the first floor, we've got the landing here with a window to the rear aspect. Then we have 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. Also here on the landing is the built-in airing cupboard housing the gas boiler. And the first bedroom here, the front of the house, which also has a built-in wardrobe here on the left hand side. We also have the loft access point just above us. Moving across to the second bedroom, again a good double-sized room. And here we have an aspect to the rear of the property. There is also some useful storage space over the stairs as well. And then we have the bathroom with panel bath and shower attachments, wash basin and toilet. There's also a window at a high level. Okay, and then out into the garden, which, as you can see, is mainly lawned. There's also access here to the rear, which leads back out onto Holster Road. And there we can just look back at the property. It concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, please contact us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.